Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of the device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery requires up to 75 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and up to 2 hours and 40 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The device has a standby time of up to 428 hours and a use talk time of up to 11 hours. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, select the Settings app. Select the General tab, then select Battery. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed at the bottom of the screen under App Usage. To view the battery usage details of a particular app or feature, scroll to and select the desired app or feature. Select Battery Usage to view additional battery usage details. Conserve battery life. To turn on Battery Saver mode, from the battery screen, select Battery Saver. Select either Extended or Maximum. Select Turn On. You can also conserve battery life by adjusting the device's display settings. From the Settings screen, select the Display tab, then select the Auto Brightness switch to disable auto brightness. Select and drag the brightness slider to the left. To turn off live wallpapers, from the Display tab, select Wallpaper and Theme, then navigate to and select the desired option that is not a live wallpaper. To set a shorter screen timeout, from the Display tab, scroll to and select Screen Timeout. Select the desired option. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar with 2 fingers. If enabled, select Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to turn them off. Swipe left, then select NFC and Location to turn them off. To turn off AutoSync, from the Settings screen, select the General tab, then select Accounts. Select the AutoSync account switch. Select Turn Off to confirm. If disabling AutoSync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon, then select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Select Don't Auto Update Apps, then select Done. If you're traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar, then select the airplane mode icon. Select Turn On.